Okay, good day everyone. You're welcome to
Global GIF TV.
Yes, this video I'll be showing you a new TRS platform which you can make money every day from this platform. Simple as that. You can be withdrawing every day because they'll be giving you 9% every day from this platform, depending on the recharge and the deposit you made from this platform. Okay, simple as that. Let's get started, guys. To recharge is very simple. Okay, everything is very simple in this platform. You just have to follow the rules and regulations I will be dropping in this video. Make sure you watch the video to the end, guys. And to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, like and drop a nice comment in this video, and make sure you turn on bell notifications so YouTube can notify you then I post you in the video. Okay, guys, let's get started, guys. Yes, this platform gives you 9 to 5% every day, depending on the packages. Okay, for the packages of 10, the minimum to buy it is 10 TRS. Okay, from 10 TRS to 10,000 TRS you get 9% every day. Okay, but from 10,000 TRS upward getting 10% every day. Okay, you can read their packages. Okay, any package you are going for, you have to come here to recharge. It's very simple. You have to come here, you see, enter amount onto recharge. Okay, you have to put the amount. Let's say I'm charging 30 TRS. You just have to click on buy now. Okay, here you see buy now. Okay, and you have to come here. It's going to show here now. You copy your referral link, you copy your deposit link, and you go to your any of your crypto wallet to make the deposit of 30 TRS put into the account. Simple as that. Okay, and you can also use this one to recharge too. Okay, either you come here to recharge, okay, or you come where you see me. Okay, just click on this recharge. You can recharge to your TRS or your USDT, guys. See, it has been shown to you that 1 USDT is 17 TRS are going to deposit. Okay, make sure you follow all the details. And what happened is that this platform has different wallets. That means their TRS is different from their USDT. Everyone, you know that TRS and USDT, their wallet is the same thing, but this platform provides different wallets for you. So please don't make mistake when you are recharging your account. Okay, when you click on this TRS, want to recharge TRS, just copy it, go to your cryptocurrency, your crypto, any of your crypto wallet, and make the transfer. Just simple as that. Please, you see down there, please deposit only TRS to avoid any complaints, please. Okay, please deposit only TRS to avoid any complaint. See there, you have to do that. Okay, once deposit to USDT, just have to come here now, and you have to deposit only USDT. That means you deposit only TRC20 USDT. Simple as that, guys. Don't deposit Ethereum USDT because we have many type of USDT. Okay, we have many type of USDT, but only deposit TRC USDT 20 USDT chain. Okay, simple as that. To withdraw from this platform is very simple. You just have to come here. The month withdraw is 10. The minimum withdraw is also 10.
How to buy package.
You have to put the amount here. Put the amount there. Let's say you deposited 20 TRS. Okay, after that, just click on this buy now. Okay, as simple as that. No withdraw from this platform.
How to withdraw?
Also 10 TRS. Okay, you have to come here. Okay, the minimum withdraw is 5 TRS. Exactly, and they'll be charging you 1% of withdrawal fee. Okay. Okay, the withdrawal timing is 24 hours. No holiday, no Sunday. Okay, that means you can withdraw anytime, any day from this platform. Okay, you have to put your amount here. Okay, you have to put everything there and put the amount there. It's automatically sent to your account successfully. Okay, to ban your account, you just have to come here, withdraw. Where you see, okay, on this on the last page there, when you see withdrawal address management, you come there now, you put your address, your TRS address. you copy it, you put it there. Okay, after that leave it and you put your password. It will automatically update. Simple as that. And you can start sharing your referral links to your loved ones, and you'll be getting at least 11% from each person you refer to this platform. As simple as that, guys. Okay, and make sure you deposit to this platform and start earning from this platform. And make sure you already start earning from this platform. Make sure you drop a nice comment in this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, and make sure you share these videos to your loved ones and your friends. Okay, make sure you share it. Please share this video.